Okay, now let's move on to number 5. I'll be the one to present the solution. Okay. Oh, why is the first solution wrong for number 4? Mateo. Why is number 5 so easy? Okay. Anyway, the question for number 4 is answered, so we'll move on to number 5. So, I actually like the solution here. Um, so I'll read the problem. First, in the diagram, let H be a point on a circle with diameter TU of length 24, such that angle HUT is 30 degrees. And then let C and A be points on the same arc as H, so that the minor arc HT is equal in length to the minor arc CA. So basically oops, my bad. Uh, so basically the two arcs in brown are have the same length. And segments AC and HT do not intersect. So find the integer closest to the area of the shaded region bounded by minor arc CH, segment HU, minor arc UA, and segment AC. So essentially the shaded region. Okay. So the nice solution here is you can slide this chord, the AC, to here. So that A equals U. So slide, wait, no. Uh wait, okay. So slide arc CA so so that A lands on U. Wait, yeah. So that A lands on U. Then the nice thing here is let's name O as the center of the circle. Then I'll draw this line. So this is C prime and this is A prime. Uh I'll draw CO, and then I'll also draw HO and CH. So you should notice that wait. You should notice that wait, this is X. You should notice that HOX is congruent to C prime A prime X. No, A prime C prime X. So I'll write that down. So it's congruent to A prime C prime X. And the reason for this is hold on. Reason for this is since triangle C C prime A prime O is equilateral, and angle CAX, so this is wait C prime A prime X is 30, and X prime C prime A is 60. Um so essentially it's gonna be like, what do you call it? Yeah. Okay. So going back, this is equilateral, and then this is 30 degrees, so this is also 30 degrees. So that means that this is 60 degrees. So essentially you have 30, 60, 90. Okay. And then this will mean that C C prime X A prime is a right angle, and since it's a vertical angle with this, you also get that this is a right angle. Okay. And then the equilateral triangle also indicates that HO equals C prime A prime. And then you also have wait, yeah. And then and since these are equal, wait, no. And you also have this one due to the wait, what is going on? Delete this. And you also have OX is equal to, why do I okay. OX is equal to C prime X. because the HU bisects side C prime O due to the 30 degrees. Are you good so far? Okay. And now we have that these two triangles are congruent. So wait. So that will mean that we can move the shaded okay, so now let's go back to the areas. So essentially the new area will look something like, we'll use a highlighter. It will look something like this, right? So wait, wait lang. Oh no. So it will essentially look something like this pala. So this is a straight line. And then so since we have two congruent triangles, I'm going to split this the yellow region into two regions. So this is the orange one and then the green one. And then since we have this, we we know that the green region, so C prime A prime X, has the same area as HOX. So we have that. Good. And now the new region, it's this one. That's a 60-degree sector. So the area of that is just 1/6 of the entire circle. And since TU has length 24, the radius is 12. So so this will so the area of the circle will be 12 squared pi or 144 pi, and then you divide by 6 to because this is the 60-degree sector. Okay. So this is um, yeah, so this is supposed to be 24 pi. And the integer closest to that is 75, so that's B.